Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I will teach you how to use circle command. So first of all, we will see how we can invoke or start the circle command. So there are four different ways to start a circle command. First of all, you can invoke a circle command by typing either circle or C in the command prompt. In this way, you can start a circle command by method 1. The second method is through the ribbon. So in this method, what you have to do, you have to go to the home tab of the ribbon and then you have to go to the drop panel, and in this panel you can see there is a circle command with a drop down menu. So when you click on this drop down menu, you can see there are different type of circles, or there are different ways in which we can draw simple circles. So this is the second method. In the third method, you can invoke the circle command using the menu bar. By default, the menu bar is not shown in the GUI of AutoCAD. So what you have to do, you have to click on this button and then there will be a menu open for you and you have to select show menu bar option. So in this way you can see a menu bar, and if you want to hide this menu bar, you just have to click this button once again and click on the option hide menu bar. So in menu bar you can draw or you can invoke the circle command by going to the draw menu and then circle. So once again you can see that there are 6 options or 6 methods by which we can draw circles. So in the fourth method, to invoke the circle command, what we have to do, we have to go once again to the ribbon and go to the view tab of the ribbon, and in view tab of the ribbon we have to go to the palettes panel and we have to go to the tools palette. So in tool palettes we can see that there are different tabs available. So you have to go to the draw tab and then you can select this circle. If the draw tab is not visible on the tools palette, what you have to do, you have to click on this button and then a lot of other tabs will be displayed and you can select the draw tab from the given tabs. So in this way you can invoke the circle command by the method number 4. So as I mentioned earlier that we can draw a circle by inputting the parameters in 6 different ways. So in the first option, what we have to do, we have to give the center point of the circle and its radius. In the second method, what we have to do, we have to give the center of the circle and its diameter. Whereas in the third method or third type of circle, we have to specify the 2 points of the circle which will actually decide the diameter of the circle, and these 2 points, a line joining these 2 points will pass through the center of the circle. There is another type of circle in which we have to specify 3 points, and using those 3 points a circle can be drawn using AutoCAD. In the fifth type, we can specify a circle by making it tangent to 2 objects and then specifying its radius. And in sixth type, we can draw or create a circle by making it tangent to 3 different objects. So now we will perform the task number 1, in which we have to draw the simple drawing, which is a square, and inside the square there is a circle of diameter 4. So this phi icon or phi symbol shows that 4 is the diameter of the circle. So first of all we have to draw this square using the line command. So what we will do, we will invoke the line command and specify the first point, which is 0 comma 0, and then we will specify the second point, which is 5 comma 0. Then we will specify the third point, which is 5 comma 5, and then we will specify the fourth point, which is 0 comma 5, and then we will close this shape. Okay, so now we have a circle drawn. So what we will do, we have to draw a circle whose center is at the center of the square. It means the coordinates of the circle center will be 2.5 comma 2.5, and its diameter should be 4. So what we will do, we will invoke the circle command by typing C and press enter. So now we are in the circle command. So here you can see that there are different options available. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to specify the center point of circle. We will discuss these options later on in our next videos, but in this video we will draw this simple drawing. So first of all, we have to specify the center point for circle. We already calculated that the center point of circle is 2.5 comma 2.5. So we already at the center. We already allocated the center of the circle. Now what we have to do, either we can specify the radius of the circle, or we can specify the diameter. So if I input some value, it will be taken as the radius, but since in this task what we have to do, we have to specify the diameter of the circle. So first of all, we have to click on this option or type D and press enter. So now we have to specify the diameter of the circle. So diameter is 4. So in this way we can draw a simple circle using circle command with its center and diameter. So in the next task, what we will do, we will perform the same task, but instead of specifying the diameter of the circle, we will specify the radius of the circle. So once again, we will start by specifying by starting the line command and making this square first. So now we have the square available. What we will do, once again we will start the circle command by typing C, and then we have to specify the center. We have to specify the center point for circle, which is 2.5 comma 2.5, and then by default we can specify the radius of the circle. So the radius of the circle is 2, so we can simply write 2 and press enter. So we get the same drawing as the drawing of the task 1, but instead of specifying the diameter, we specify the radius. So in the next video, we will discuss 2-point and 3-point circle and how we can draw these kind of circles. Thank you very much.